I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment, and Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi, by Malawi for Malawi.
I can sing it better.
You look good.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Chifonio Elias.
Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm from Salima.
All the way. Okay. Chabwino, sindujua mwatibwedisela nyimbo yotani lero.
Ndabwesa nyimbo ya gospel ya Princess Chuturo saka udzandika nagadadu. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Ndisanatiwe kurinza kalapo Yesu munatiwa kale sana kanizwe lingalilo langa Yesu munatiwa kale ndiwoposa ngonjetsi uyu dzina lake ndi Yehova hakutiwa mene ndilili hakutiwa mtankati mwanga wapambana chani we Petulo kudutsa nditsarabe ine ndinenetsa tambala sana lile utsandikana katatu pakuti maso ako saona ndizelu zako sungatiwe chenjela satana lipa iwe pita kumbuyo kwanga iwe utsandikana katatu Shenjela Petulo maso ako sapenya Shenjela Petulo Chikondi tichiona chi Mulungu ndiye wa chikondi napeleka mwana wake yeka kuombola ife tonse hao akundikonda zili bwino zikanditina zanditawa akatsiwa zikumanditina wose watsabalalika wakomelanji tima Petulo kudutsa nditsarabe ine ndinenetsa tambala sana lile utsandikana katatu pakuti maso ako saona ndizelu zako sungatiwe chenjela satana lipa iwe pita kumbuyo kwanga iwe.
Good. Chifu. Okukwanda fitimati chifu, right? All right. Ndaenjoy nyimbo hii. Ndimaimvera koma hey, you've given me another picture. All right, I love your energy. Meno eye contact. Uyangana ndithu sunangoyima pamodzi so you are moving, you are flexible. Ndizimezi mafunika. So for that and because of your song choice, I would say yes. So it's a yes for me.
So, as you said, chifukwa nyimbo imene waimba, nyimbo yedu nagana imba tukuiziwa kumalawi konkuno, and the way you've delivered it without instruments, I would want to hear more of you, maybe singing a different thing. Not that this was bad. I love your energy. I would want how now you would apply now some singing skills, maybe with a different song. Because for this one, there was a lot of energy, a lot of engagement. Sometimes you, of course, shout, voice control, but I would want to hear you apply those kind of things, maybe with a different song. So, looking forward to see you again. It's a yes from me.
Thank you.
Chifonilo, this is what we've been telling the other contestants who come here. When they take somebody's song, they also want their voice to sound like that particular person. So that's something that you can do your homework on so that when you come again next time, we hear more of the Chifonilo now. You get my point? Get it? Yeah? But it's a yes for me. So you have 3 yeses? We'll see you again in the next round, Chifuniro. Is it gold? So it's a gold rabbit. You taking it home?
It's not easy to get that one. You're getting that one because of the choice of a song that you've done, right? It's local. It's people sing local songs, but delivery sometimes matters. So that's a caution at the same time that when you're coming next time, you need to do more than that.
Chisangalalo chanu ndi chotani mwatuluka ndika golden rabbit?
Ndasangalala. I was afraid komano. Thank God I've made it. Yes.
Ndi apano tiyembeketsere chanu kuchoka kwa inu chifukwa ndi kuti ka golden rabbit ndi kuti tumunaliza mwala mmenemu.
Hapa ndikayesesa wapanga training ili chose kuti ndifikire nditupoposera baba. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tiringo kufundani zabwino zonse pamene mukupitiriza kensingedera.
Zikomo ambiri.
I can sing it better.
Hi, bro.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. In the look.
Okay, I'm Victor Jussa,
Victor, from where?
Area 44.
Area 44.
Yeah.
Welcome. What do you have for us? What are you
Song.
singing? What song are you singing?
An Afro one.
An Afro one. Is it your song or?
My song.
Okay. I'd love to hear it. You can start.
Okay. Tili awiri baby we can dance. You are my cool my little answer. Iwe ndifuso ine ndine answer. Ndiwe wapo mlengi anafasa. Usiku wonse sindigona. Ndimangokumbata kuona. Maiweyo ndinafasa. Amdido ndinalasa. Tima wako ndiwodeka. Mamisu umazikweza. Milomo yako ndioneka. Moyo wanga umamveka. Tima wako ndiwodeka. Mamisu umazikweza. Milomo yako ndioneka. Moyo wanga umamveka. Magelo oh magelo. Magelo oh magelo. Mami neza kuveka velo. One day nza kugulila pajelo. Magelo oh magelo. Magelo oh magelo. Mami neza kuveka velo. One day nza kugulila pajelo. Baby look at me. Look at me. My woman look at me. Ooh, look at me. Baby, look at me. Look at me. My woman, look at me. Ooh, look at me.
Thank you. He is telling you to look at him, and you're looking down. Baby, look at me, and you're looking down.
Zatega ndithu.
You hear that? Victor,
Yes.
thank you for coming.
Thanks.
I love your energy. I love your vibe. I love how you present yourself on stage.
I really appreciate it.
That's so cool. If it was a live show, it would be like, look at me.
Yeah.
Unalizizimusa nyimbo yangu yambo da kodi yamba kali nyimbo ija eti yangu yambira babiki pena bage. That's something that you need to work on. So for this show, I'm gonna say it hasn't worked for me. So it's a no.
It's a no from me because I expected something more than what we have seen.
Yeah, it's a no for me too. Yeah, Kumano, keep the vibe burning. There's a lot to learn. Kunena wouldn't know doesn't mean you haven't what. Come on, you just didn't meet the needs that we're looking for in this auditions. So yeah, all the best. Keep fighting and keep learning.
Thanks.
Ase tisanayambe pang'ono kukha ndinamva nyimbo yomwe maimba nkati uja umati tiye girl.
Look at me. Look at me. My woman, look at me.
Look at me. Ndiye majudges akuzori chani.
I should keep trying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Komaso confidence ndithu kufuneka yochuluka komano energy ndilipo ndithu.
Okay, nde muzabweraso tikamapanga so I can sing it better next season.
Kwambiri.
Kwambiri kwake. I like the energy I say.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Yes, man.
Zabwino.
Zapopo ase. Zikuenda?
Kwambiri kaino.
Dzina?
Chiyanjano Chipotula.
Chiyanjano Chipotula. From where?
Ndochokera kwa Pondamali.
Kwa Pondamali? Funa udzayipatsa moto?
Zayipatsa moto.
Haha, ife tufuna tuone moto umenewo.
Okay.
Mukuyimba nyimbo yanji?
Apa ndimba nyimbo ya Azizi mpaka liti.
Mpaka liti. Chabwino. Tiye nayo.
Ndinali ndi kachibwezi kanga nthawi imeneyo ndili pa sukulu ndisaname tinkakondana tinkahagana ngakhale pagulu koma panali mphunzitsi wina akationa ife ankanyasidwa mwachidziwikile anali ndi nsanje ndi chikondi chomwe ndinkapasidwa mkaziyu akamupasa chibalo ndinkapita kukamuthandizira chikondi chathu chinalinyatwa mpaka kusukulu tinkathawira mphunzitsi wa nsanjeyu pena nkandikwapula kachibwezi kangako kankalira ndeno ndinkapita pafupi kakatonthoza kumusiya kapasula kupukusa mutu nkumati muzapanga chochi mpaka liti muzakondana mpaka liti muzakhalira limodzi mpaka liti.
All right, yeah. That's fine.
Okay, fine.
I like the fact that you can sing off key. You're singing in key. I just missed a dance. Sounds like a danceable song. But you just stood there, man.
You
know, at the back of my head, I would feel the heat and go like, Balaga again? The one just dancing. Yeah, nice singing, but I would say not what we're looking for. So I'm going to say no.
It's a no for me. Yeah, I think it's a no for me too. Because that's not what we're looking for.
Yeah, Commandedi to next year. Yeah, thank you.
Muzingonena no pakaliti.
Akudabwa tichisata mpaka liti.
Kukondana kumene.
Kuti menyera kwena yake ya Azizi yomene unapangira nkatini.
Yomweyo?
Yomweyo.
Okay, then ingopitisa verse 2 kapena ndiyambiriza. Okay. Kulani mulione dziko kunja kukuli akazi okongola mukadaliya nasimudziwa dziko muzawapeza bamuna otsogola mukadali makanda mdakanunka kwema tindalama mumachita chopasidwa dziko simuliziwa imomwe likalira moyo sulimonga momwe muganizira.
Okay, say yeah, ababa tiwembekeze so the next season uzabwera kapena basi wazituluka.
Abo ndizabwera.
Uzabweraso. Ayi.
I love Zodiak.
Mbambane. Iwe ni family.
Because osangala 40 message I don't do when you link.
Oh. Pasosho hapa.
You are enough, eh? Ampuma City Tabasco. Ndimweza profile mini.
Okay. Say mbambande ndoti tizonana.
Okay.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Vanessa Nalikungwi.
What are you singing for us?
I'm singing Jealous by La Breath.
The flow is all yours.
Okay. Thanks. I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. But I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreaking misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. Thank you.
Why did you choose to sing that song?
In the first place, I chose that one because I've been sick since the day that I saw that we have auditions today. Yeah, I have asthma, literally. So I'm struggling. So I felt like this is a perfect song for my voice.
Okay.
Yeah. And I love the song, by the way.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really loved your singing.
Thank you.
When you started, the deep voice, I was like, okay, I want to hear how this ends when it gets to that lower moment. But then you managed to keep the notes. So, yeah, I would say I would love to hear more of your voice.
Thank you.
In the competition.
Thank
It's
you.
a yes from me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm happy how you were into the song and the dynamics were just absolutely good. So for me, it's a YES, not a yes.
Yay.
But a yes.
Thank you very much.
I liked your pitch judgment, especially. I always say this when a singer can come up with that pitch when there is no piano or guitar and they still maintain it. It's a plus. So it's a yes for me.
Oh, thank you.
It's a gift for you.
Okay.
Even if you don't like rabbits, but you would start loving them from today.
I love them already.
So please step down so you can get this one.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So this is it. So that means we're all impressed. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll be prepared. I hope I heal.
Oh, you heal.
Yes.
You're good.
Thank you very much.
All right.
But no, thank God, she's really good.
No, she's good.
She's good.
Yeah.
I pray for this asthma to go because, I mean, it really distracts this type of talent.
I hope she can maintain that in the next round. Because it's gonna be more tense.
I know she can. If
Okay.
All right. Each time I see a golden rabbit, I know what is it Tonkarimo went Zaenda. But how was the experience like? How was the feeling like?
The feeling was amazing. Yes. Of course, I'm not feeling well. I have asthma. But then I did my best. Yeah. That's all that I did.
You did. You have asthma, but you got the golden rabbit.
I mean,
Yeah.
But it's by God's grace. Yeah, it's not just by Otegera Wanga.
Yeah.
No, it's by God's grace because I literally was like, God, if you're not with me, I won't do it.
Amen.
Yes.
So what should we expect from you now? What are you bringing to the competition?
I'm bringing everything that I can. Exactly. Because the comments from the judges were just wow. I never expected.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I'm bringing my best, literally.
All right.
Sure.
Wishing you all the best as you continue the journey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Daniel.
Okay, I'm Luke. What are you singing?
I'm singing this old song from John Kandawira.
Which song is that?
Tantwe.
Ah, I really love how you're gonna do that song.
Thank you very much.
Okay, do you think you're gonna do better than he did?
I don't know,
Okay,
but I'll try.
All right.
Yeah.
The floor is all yours.
Thank you
Ready
very
when
much. Thank you
are?
very much.
Ndinalindeka ndekai popanda putawila abwezi nanditawai dziko lina nditepndukila oh ayesu natigula maso anandilodolela njila ndipo anadilonjeza saza ndisiya mavuto ndintendele zakhala tantwe yesu tantwelanga potawila panga angafike mavuto ndizayimbabe popeza ndidziwa ndilindi yesu wanga yesu nditantulo yesu tantwelanga oh potawila panga angafike mavuto ndizayimbabe popeza ndidziwa ndilindi yesu wanga.
All right. Okay. Wow. Your name again? Daniel. Can I see you?
No.
Please. Yeah, I want to see your face. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes, sir.
That was beautiful.
Thank you very much.
I will be honest with you.
Thank you.
George Gandawili
Yes.
was in a world of his own during his time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And when you started it,
Yeah.
I thought you would sound like George.
Yeah.
Because, there's that temptation that I want to sing this song the way George did it.
Yeah.
But I mean, you've done it your way.
Thanks.
And that's the most impressive part about that.
Thank you very much.
So I'm going to give you a big yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Yeah?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
So the energy was on point. So I would say it's a yes for me too.
Thank you very much.
I always give a plus to singers who can maintain the key without having the pianist there. So I always give them a plus. It's a skill on its own. But however, this is just a side note. On a lighter note, if you don't have any eye problems, then maybe you may wish to take out the sunglasses because it helps to engage more with your audience. So we see your eyes, we are happy you're looking at us. But next time, not for today. For today, it's a yes from me as well.
Don't stop working on yourself. You're really doing good, but you can do extra mile. So we have a gift for you. You can, yeah. So that means we're all impressed, and yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Something else.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It still
I mean,
sounds
the guy just blew me off.
I think Daniel is really good, especially he's not making noise and
there were moments I was like, okay, I want to hear what George did. Like,
Exactly.
Like he's going towards George, but then you go like, he ends it this way.
Golden rabbit, eh? You gave it your best.
by the grace of God. Yeah, I did it.
Okay.
That's it.
What should we expect from you now? Mwapesa golden rabbit.
I'll work more hard because this is not the end.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just the beginning.
Yeah, just the beginning of the battle. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm wishing you all the best. And thank you for coming
Thank
and
you.
waiting as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy. I'm so excited.
Congratulations.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good too. What's your name?
My name is Robson Anton.
What do you have for us this afternoon?
I have a song.
Uh-huh.
A pretty good one.
And so what's the title of the song?
The song Divine.
Divine.
Yeah.
By yourself or by who?
I wrote it by myself.
Wow. We can't wait.
You can't wait, right? I hope I amaze you too.
Robson, when you're ready, you can start.
I can start, right? Kanyimbo yanga nende gapo. As I will be performing, I will only ask for your attention.
You got it all.
Are we allowed to dance?
Okay, I can dance.
Okay, fine. You can start.
I never thought we could reach this far. I never thought you and me could fly. Unandiuza si uzandisia. Komahane ndinkakaika. Chifukwa ndako ndapo ndakondedwapo. Ndakumudwapo ndakumudisapo. The pain is too much ndinapanga chisankho. Chanditopesa chikondi chapadziko nalikutiwe. Unalikutiwe. Unalikutiwe ninkazuzika ine. Unalikutiwe. Unalikutiwe ninkazuzika ine. Unalikutiwe. Unalikutiwe ninazuzika ine. Unalikutiwe. Unalikutiwe ngatiza chibwano kama sekelela. Mandisa ngala soka masekelela. I can amaze you.
You have amazed me.
I
say, it seems like it's your day.
Come
Seems
into
like
my
today it's
place,
your
oh
day.
baby.
Okay.
Come into my eye, make you.
All right. It's fine, Robson.
Yeah.
It's okay. I say, hey, okay. When you are saying that nyimbo yanga ndi abo, inene maana nyimbo yako yo ndi abo, right?
Yeah.
But you haven't lived that up to that bill, man.
I haven't
lived up to that bill.
Like, what you trying to mean?
Our expectation was nyimbo yako ndi abo.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But your delivery, it hasn't at least impressed me. So maybe you should go back, rework, and come back maybe next time. So I would say no.
Okay.
All right, back to business. Robson, I love your confidence. It's like you believe in yourself so much, which is the need in today's youth. I would say, I heard the song, but it's not meeting into the need we're looking for. You need to work extra mile. You can do better. As the title says, Kutija, I can sing better. I can sing it better. I can sing it better. Yeah, you can sing it better. There is more that you can do. Okay? So, yeah, go out there, work on yourself, work on the songs. You got it. But next time, I believe, Goody, it's going to be worth it.
Yeah, it's going to be.
It's another no for me. Thank you, Robson.
Thank you, too.
Bye.
Ase unarimenyera freestyle tili omwe. Mene ndikuonera. mwina poti sindakumve nkoni mukuyimba nde mwina murango ndilawisake nakake ndithonena zokuti magayizi awawa umomo it's either a yes kapena a no.
Freestyle.
Ka freestyle kachangu changu.
Kayange. Two. I know there is a difference of what you want and what you need. I got my ears on the ground. I know it's you I really need. So let's get key. My life is a mess, but you love me though. All of my sins you forgive me all of the troubles and all of this pain, all of this shit, but you love me all.
Okay, but dzina lijandenda?
Radik,
Robson Anton ameneyo.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Dzina ndani?
Isaac Robson. Malawi mbira ndoti Irabi.
Irabi.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, what a name, guys. So, Irabi, what do you have for us?
Fandi benyimbo ya ineyo. Mena vangandeka.
Unapanga weka.
Yeah.
Salu inaga ubangira aya.
Ai fesiri bangana.
Ai uzimezo ai.
Ari stadi bangaeka zinthu.
Yeah.
Ai azobira naye.
Inumezo mlibe na.
Sabi ane shine.
Shine ai. Irabu mabwera ndi confit. Nde
Wanda coffee ndore
sizingaende. Mwakonzeka apa kuti muyambe?
Zabubu.
Tieni nayo.
Vera bwera vana. Nakwana.
Musabwerere mbuyo kwambiri mukaibe cha pamene. Yeah.
I love you. Wanji unene. Vuto ndikonze. Kundisiya nzapita kwanu. Ineya kwanu ndi mawaziwa. Koma iwo usamandiziwa. Zimandikudza ukakwiya. Kuimba foni wosagwira. Kani ndizimvera kwa ena zona. Koma izizi sizona. What's the plan now? Sufuna kuenda nane. Uziyanga foni yanga. Kumabwela. Undiuze mene umamvera. My lover. Undipuzitse ine chimene ufuna ndikari. Undipuzitse ine usachoke nsanga. Undipuzitse ine ukaropa ndikubereka. Bereka. Yeah. Usamadula foni. Usamandibisa kugulu. Ndilole ndikhale mfulu. Ndani safuna kuchedwa mula. Kodi weka ukwanitsa. Ine ndeka sindikukwanitsa. Tima unyamule zakukhosi uyankhule. Osari abasi kanizionela pasterasi.
Irabi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Can I see your number? Can I see your number? Okay, fine. 218. Wow. Mkazi amene I think kutenga amene waumva atu. Ngalakuoni latu. Amene yoyote ngali amapanga zawo kambelembele. Utenga amene wafika.
Angari ngosa vande lingopanga move.
Amene yoyo ali mvuto. Yetu.
Thanks.
I would say no. Yeah.
Irabi. Isaac.
Yeah.
Yeah, ulibo. Paja competition dzina yake ncha. Ukumbukira? Akuti I can sing it better. Better, eh? Ungofunika be uzichita mapractice kwambiri. Koma be chomwe ninganene njoti it's not quite impressive to what we are looking for. Ndi zomwe tikuyang'ana kumbali ya kayimbidweka sinazipezemo panopa. Komabe mukapita kunyumbako osagiva. Komano chimene ndachikonda kwambiri ndi comfy. Muli nayo boss. Energy.
Mutatu mwafika pa stage ku show. Olomusanayambe kuyimba. Isilungunena ndoti pamalopa yakafire.
There it's another no from me. And they did zaona neso chaka cha mawachi. Thanks, Arabi. Cheers. You can make your way through this side.
Kaisera nguruzo rekodi nkati zaenda bwanji.
Of course sizinaenda zimene azikhalire manango ndilimbikitsa kuti ndi fundo zapo maso ndi kofi yabwino maso voice yanga ndi yabwino tati ndango ichuna ndingopeza producer apo.
Unaimba nyimbo yoti ndi yako?
Yeah, ndi yange nini.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Yeah. I'm Luke. You are?
Madalisotebulo.
Madalisotebulo.
Yeah.
What have you brought for us?
It's a song called Testimony.
By?
Madaliso. That could be.
So Madaliso is going to do a song by Madaliso.
Yeah, an original.
I would love to hear that. Okay, fine. Please, you can start when you're ready.
I wanna tell you something, my angles in my life indendi zambiri komamvetsera simaramai kunena izi komandumboni pamoyo wanga ndadutsa muzambiri koma ndapambana ndadutsa muzokoma koma ndadutsamo moyo wanga wose ndampatsa Yesu tamudziweni yeyo you wazatika bwanji my success my future it's you Lord happiness wisdom victor now I testify testimony a testimony testimony a testimony testimony. My life is full of joy in Christ. I deserve more. Yes, in my life I walk with Christ. Nyengo zanu zingate kusinta bola inu munziwe Yesu.
Wow. I love the part where he went Oh, you recorded the song?
Of course I did, but I lost it, you know. Yeah.
It didn't click for me though. I enjoyed the song. I enjoy your vibe. But I'm gonna say no.
It's a no for me too. I want you to work on yourself, work on the clarity of the song. That's it. Okay?
Yeah, I think iso pena nyimbo yokuti tikuyimba ngati ya chizungu izimveka kuti ndi chizungu chifukwa ndi chizungu koma tikuyimva ngati muchichewa chifukwa mmene mukuyimbira moet testimony ndiyo kuti be utangoganiza kuti kapena kodi what is testimony muchichewa ndi nyimbo yosende ngoyika muchichewa kuti ikhalebe ndika vibe kachichewa kacheti. Thank you, Madaliso.
Yeah, welcome. Oh, sorry.
Alright, asira nguruzori nkarimu kodi zinthu zaenda bwanji.
Nkarimu sina take minutes nendela. I was just encouraged kuti we should improve on some areas. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, what went wrong?
It's like okay, about the judges, amanena kuti like it was the mix of English and Chichewa and the word of like English kuti sima malizika, you know, kunena kuti no what was I trying to say, like to complete the word, the word in English. So that's it.
All right. What are you going to do to improve the hiccups the minute?
Okay, Monga, one of the judges said the flow of English words, it should sound in the English way, not zikanga de kuvega. So munchichewaso ndi chizungu chikale chizungu. Yeah, so I'm gonna worry I should improve on that part as well for the next audition.
All right. So you're coming for the next audition?
Obviously, I would do.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zodiak. Everything is possible. Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.